Hello guys, welcome to Benante TV. My name is Mr. Benante. Thank you for always watching our videos. Thank you for watching this particular one. Today we are going to look at amazing creatures that can only be located in Madagascar. They can only be found over there, nowhere else. So these fascinating creatures are endemic in Madagascar. You know, Madagascar is part of Africa, but then over several years ago, there has been a division in that the sea took part of it, giving a certain separation between it and then the continent proper. But then it's still part of the African continent. So follow me and let's look at these amazing creatures that can only be located in Madagascar.
We have giraffe weevil. This is a rather strange looking insect, as you can see. This insect is named so due to its anomalous long neck. With an average of 2.5 centimeters, this insect is among the largest insects of the weevil family. Most of its body parts are black, however, it has a shell that covers their hind legs called the elytra. They spend most of their lives in the forests of Madagascar. They inhabit small trees and feed on the leaves on these trees. Luckily, there are no known predators to the giraffe weevil, and despite the insect's strange look, they are, as I am sure you will be pleased to know, completely harmless to humans. As they are rather small creatures, you are less likely to see one unless you are looking for them. But if you do, make sure to snap a photo. It will make for a great Instagram. The next one is satanic leaf-tailed gecko. This beautiful gecko is a master of camouflage. This incredible lizard unbelievably can camouflage itself to resemble a dead leaf. This unique species can perfectly blend into its natural surroundings. The satanic leaf-tailed gecko is a nocturnal reptile. During the day, they rest on tree branches or lies motionless of the dead leaves. They will blend into these surroundings in no time for their unique body shape and spectacular variability in coloration. And so the gecko can avoid the threats from potential predators like birds and snakes. Their incredible camouflage skills are not merely for show, it is to avoid threats. When facing a predator, they show off their bright red mouth by opening their jaws widely. In addition, they also display an erect tail so that the gecko can confuse its predator and escape from its sight. Now the next one is the aye. An aye is the largest nocturnal creature in the world, which again can only be found in Madagascar. They are dark brown in color and have light eyes and slim fingers. Despite the aye looking scary, they are actually extremely gentle and harmless animals. However, fortunately due to their looks, they are killed upon sight. The aye are nocturnal, meaning that they only hunt at night, and during the day they sleep on the sphere-like nest which they build on tree branches. Aye uses its large sensitive ears to detect the wood-boring larvae and take them out with their elongated middle finger. The diet of the aye also includes seeds, fruits, and nectar. The next one is the indri. Madagascar is famous for being the home of lemurs. There are 50 different types of lemurs found within the forests of Madagascar. The indri is the largest of all the lemurs found in Madagascar. They are also one of the most endangered species of lemur, with a population less than 10,000. The indris inhabit the rainforests of the eastern part of Madagascar. They usually live in small groups that include 4 to 8 animals. They are best known for making high-pitched calls to communicate with each other. These calls are loud enough to be heard from miles away. This divine creature can cross a distance up to 10 meters in a single jump. The next one is comet moth. Madagascan moon moth, commonly referred to as comet moth. are among the world's largest silk moths. They can grow up to 20 centimeters long from wing to wing. Sadly, these moths, once in adult form, cannot feed and die within 4 to 5 days. Interesting fact. Their cocoons have small holes to prevent individuals from drowning during tropical downpours. And the next one is fossa. The fossa is the largest carnivore found only in the forests of Madagascar. These creatures are the top predators in Madagascar. They are strong with a muscular body and a short reddish brown coat. The long tail is one of the most distinguished features of the fossa, as it actually makes up for half of its length. The fossa are very agile climbers with retractable claws and flexible ankle joints, which allow them to easily climb up on the tree. The long tail of fossa also provides them with a balance along the tree branches. Again, the fossa is an ambush predator who can swiftly kill their prey. Lemurs are their main source of food, but they also hunt on small mammals such as fish and birds. Now let's look at the blue koa. Madagascar is home to almost 250 different species of birds. However, a staggering 44% of them are found nowhere else in the world. So it is the perfect place to visit for a bird fanatic. The blue koas are also called the Madagascar koka, who are renowned for their striking deep blue feathers. Unlike other koako birds, these fine creatures build their own nest. They use leaves and twigs, and their nests usually remain hidden in the trees and bushes. They also lay one egg during the breeding season. Interestingly, blue koas also incubate their own eggs. Unfortunately, these magnificent creatures may go extinct in the near future due to hunting. The next one is the Madagascar pochard duck. You might be thinking that duck is nothing special, but you will be wrong. With a total population of under 100 in the world, the Madagascar pochard is the rarest duck in the world. This exceptionally rare species was thought to be extinct for many years, but back in 2006, roughly 20 were discovered at Lake Mastaborimena. So in 2006, the Doria Wildlife Conservation Trust and Wildfowls and Wetland Trust began a breeding program. By 2013, the research has managed to successfully raise the population from 20 to 80. The initial decline in the population of the pochard ducks was caused by the loss of nesting sites and by the introduction of new species to the habitat. However, they are still vulnerable for extinction due to the scarcity of the food within their habitats. The IUCN has classified them as a critically endangered bird, but better get a picture before it's too late. So visit there and grab yourself a picture with them.
Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell so that when we put out a new video, you can be the first person to know it and then come and watch it. Peace out. See you on another one.